Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mohamad Nursyabana, and today we're going to talk about optical instrument. Okay, so first of all, we're going to talk about optical instrument definition based on the physics. So we're going to talk about all the definition in physics for now, for this one, and later on we're going to talk about it deeper in different field and different perspective. Okay, so first of all, what is optical instrument? Okay, so optical instrument are device which process light wave to enhance an image for a more clear view. Okay, so usually optical instrument make things bigger and help us see in a more detailed manners. So if you have having trouble seeing small stuff and you want to make it more look clear and you want to observe it more detail, you can use optical instrument. Okay, so understanding this topic more deeper, we're going to talk about in four different perspectives. The first is in biology, mathematical, technology, and engineering. So first, let's jump into the biology. So eyes, so sorry. So in biology, eyes, there is eyes in term of optical instrument, which is already know that we already have eyes to see all around us. And also in animal, eyes have many function depend on their habitat and how they live. For example, the the tiger, they have eyes that can reflecting light back into the light source to to hunt more efficient in the night. While also there are some bugs and there are some bugs that have similarly organ like eyes. They're not like our eyes, which consists of simply a pupil and retina or something like that. It has a many fraction of eyes, such as in the flies. Okay, so also in the aquatic animal, their pupils are adapt to the watery environment so that their eyes didn't really get um, their eyes can catch the light coming through the water much more clearer. Because as we know that if a light coming into the different medium such as water, it will be it will be getting scattered. Okay, so in mathematical, by applying mathematical equation, we can determine the strength of lens in myopia and hyperopia, which is really useful if you think about that. And in technology, many technologies are developed based on how our eyes works. Isn't that amazing? The optical instrument that are given by the Almighty God to us, we can actually uh, actually, what do you call that? We can actually replicate that by mimicking the function of eyes. And the next is engineering. So in this engineering, I would like to show you guys something, which is that I made before with my group, which is a simple projector. I'm really proud of showing this project to you guys because me and my group were working this for like a week, probably, yeah, for a week. And as you can see, we have this magnifying lens, not magnifying lens, magnifying glasses, sorry, magnifying glasses to project bigger image from our phone. So basically, it's come from the light source of the phone so that it can what do you call it? Reflect the image. Sorry, let me put that down. Reflect the image into the magnifying glasses and then project it more bigger, something like that. And the design for our project, we design it really simple because it's a simple projector, and we also use a mirror inside of it, so the result of the image projected will not be inverted. Okay, so next. Okay, so now let's look at the example. The first is eyes that we already talked about before. Eyes have is a is a optical instrument that enable us to view all the object around us. It is also a very complex organ. So basically, how does eyes work? It captures light. It captures light, and then that light then um, will be reflected again into the retina behind our eye socket. And from that retina, the image usually inverted, the resulted image will be inverted in the retina, but it is automatically renormalized by our brain. So imagine if we look this world in the inverted ways, it will be very, very disorienting, I believe. Okay, so the next is camera. So camera takes all the light ray bouncing around and use glass to redirect them to a single point, creating a sharp image. So it's basically just like the way how cameras work. It's basically just like an eyes. It captures light to the lens and then project it to the behind, and from that light it can create an image, and then when we snap it, it can capture the image permanently. Because the difference is with our eyes that if we see an image, we will only remember it in our minds, but this time if we use a camera to capture that image, we can actually get a physical copy of that image we see. Okay, so next is a telescope. So telescope collects and magnify the light from distant object. So and also the telescope is it there are two types of it. The one that reflecting the light, and the other one is the refracting the light coming. But the function is similar, is to magnifying a faraway object from us. Okay, so I guess that's all I can tell to all of you guys. Thank you for watching. Remember, more content to come. So stay tuned to our channel. Hit the like button and the subscribe. Once again, thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.